Hi everyone, welcome to another super simple tutorial. Today we're going to look at the foundation half double crochet or foundation half treble crochet, whether you're using UK or US terms. The foundation half double crochet or any foundation stitches are really useful when you need something that has a bit of stretch in it. So usually you would create your chains and then crochet into your chains, which is great. But as you can see, the bottom doesn't stretch very much because that chain can be quite tight. You can obviously make your chain looser, but it can look a little bit more gappy. If you use the foundation stitches instead, you'll see you get quite a bit more stretch, both top and bottom. So it's quite useful if you're going to make cup cozies or headbands, that sort of thing, where you need that little bit of stretch. So you're going to start off with creating a slip knot as you usually would, and then we're going to chain 2, and we're going to work into the first chain that you make here. So you start off, you're going to yarn over, insert into your first chain, you're going to pull that loop up, so you've now got 3 loops on your hook. You're then going to yarn over and pull through just the first one. So you've still got 3 loops on your hook, and this here is creating your chain as you usually would. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 to create the half double crochet. So then for your next stitch, you're going to yarn over again, so we're always yarning over. You're going to insert into the chain that you've just made, so this one there. It's quite hard to see on the first one, but it gets a lot easier once you've passed this first one. Again, you're going to pull up a loop, you've got 3, you're going to yarn over, pull through just the first one, so you've now made your next chain, and then yarn over, pull through all 3. So now we've got a chain there, and a chain there. This is the one we're going to work into next. So you're going to yarn over, insert into that chain, pull up a loop for 3, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3. So now that we've got 3 foundation half double crochets, so I'll do a few more. So just yarn over, pulling through 1, and then pulling through all 3. So insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 3. And this is how you create your foundation half double crochet. And then once I've created 10 of those, as a little sample piece, I can then show you where you're working for your round 2. So once you've done as many chains as you need to, you'll then have this kind of look. And when you get to the end of your row, so you've done as many as you want, you would chain 1 and turn, and this is now the side that you're working into. So there's all those stitches that you've created. And then you would half double crochet or whatever your next stitch is in the pattern and go all the way along. And now you've saved yourself having to do a chain and your first row of half double crochets by doing it all in one go. If you find that your straight edge is curving, it could be that you've made it too tight or made it too loose, so just try and keep your tension consistent. I've just realised I've used a red hook and red yarn. If you have trouble seeing it, just drop me a message in the comments. I can always redo the video with another colour. But I don't need that now, so I can unwind. And there we go. That's how to make your foundation half double crochet. Thanks for watching.